Bored. I'm gonna go watch the news. Are we gonna watch the news? Yeah, we're gonna watch the news. Let's see what they're gonna do. Ha 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 ha. Dude, you won't believe this. You just won't believe this. Dude, knock it off. This is funny. This is funny. I see something out the window. It looks like indoor stuff without the... Get out of here. Alright, so breaking news. There's gonna be a serious hurricane. It will bring you up in the air. Like, it is dangerous. I just demonstrated. I am a very athletic hedgehog, so I can demonstrate. But you do not want to mess with this at all. This hurricane can just bring you up in the air. You do not want this at all in your life. Alright? So there we go. Wow, that is just really scary. So I think that we need to just stay calm and... What is this? Ah! Oh my. Oh hey. Hey, what just happened? Did the tornado just come to our house or whatever? It better not have. I think it did though. I think it actually did come to our house and did all that stuff. What? You came to a house? Oh no, baby Luigi. Hello? Where'd my owners go? Bruh. Baby Luigi, I said to not do that. Ah! What's so funny? The fact that it was flying up and down and stuff. Yeah, it's worse than we thought. And yeah. Seriously, we gotta put a stop to this. Like, who's causing this? I'm gonna go and solve the problem. Ha ha ha! I am the one who caused this tornado with my fire breath. And then I made the tornado. You will not. You did that to my father. My father. I did it! Yay! You are a good pet. I am so glad that we picked you up. Rolling.